Welcome to the Professional Standards Training Tracker Tool Training Video Series. This is Chapter 7, Manager Function, User Profiles. The manager and director roles in the Professional Standards Training Tracker Tool have access to additional functions not available to the standard employee or staff users. Most of these functions are available in the employee's menu that will be visible when a manager or director are logged into the Training Tracker tool. Employees available to managers or directors are driven by their profile. Setting up a manager or director profile in the Training Tracker tool allows the system to automatically find those employees or staff profiles that match up to your own. In this way, a new manager or director would be able to inherit all of the employees in a school or organization when they start their new job without having to manually move all the records. The Search Employees page provides a way of looking for employees within your profile's organization or school group. This can be useful if the list of employees you might oversee is quite long. The page allows you to type in profile elements, either the name or the school or organization name, and match with those existing records. The results of each search will display in the table on the page. Each name returned is hyperlinked to allow you to go directly to the user profile. The Print Certificates page allows you to find those employees that have already attained the minimum needed training hours for this school year. At the start of each new school year, this page will be empty. When an employee has enough training hours to meet their goal, their name will appear on this page. Once their name appears, you have the option of printing a completed certificate for them. You may use the school year selection box at the top of the page to select which school year you want to print certificates for. By clicking the checkbox next to the person's name, in the page you can select one or many employees to print certificates at a time. We will be looking at the Create User Profile next. Before we go through this page, we need to talk about the differences between a logged-in user and a non-logged-in user. Any school nutrition professional is welcome to create a new e-authentication account for the Professional Standards Training Tracker tool. By creating a login account, they will provide themselves with a way for their professional standards training to follow them from one position to another throughout their career. As a manager or director, you would find there's no difference in the entering training or reporting functions between a login account employee and a non-login account employee. There's a small difference in the amount of information you're able to edit on the employee's profile. This Create User Profile page under the Employees menu is how you would create a non-logged-in account. We need to stress that these accounts are not able to be converted to logged-in accounts. Any training information added to these accounts is only available to the managers or directors of the organization and is not available to the individual employee. Looking at this Create User Profile page, you will be able to set many of the same fields that you would set for your own profile, as well as the first name, last name, and email account for the user. Users created in this fashion must match your own profile user type and organization. For example, a school manager may only create school employees for the same schools in their profile, and the state agency manager would only be able to create staff for their own state agency. For this reason, some fields have been pre-selected with values that may not be changed. By clicking the Create button at the bottom of the page, you'll be taken back to your employee list, where you will be able to see the new profile. Once the profile is created, it will be available in the Enter Training screens, as well as all of the manager or director screens. As a reminder, please use the help email at cnpntab@fns.usda.gov for any questions or challenges you have using our website. Thank you for viewing.